Have you ever wondered how to make your sniper rifle whisper instead of shout? Before diving into the details, a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and give that like button a little tap. In the world of Sniper Elite Resistance, players can customize their weapons with various accessories. Among these, silencers stand out as essential tools for stealthy gameplay. They allow you to take out enemies without raising alarms, making your missions much smoother. To unlock your first rifle suppressor, you'll need to venture into Mission 2 Dead Drop. This is where the adventure begins, specifically at the rifle workbench located in the southwest corner of the map, nestled within a building near a cemetery. But be cautious, guards are lurking nearby. As you approach the graveyard, keep an eye out for a manor on your left, with crates stacked near the entrance. These crates serve as your stepping stones to reach the first floor of the building. Once inside, you'll need to navigate carefully. Nazi soldiers patrol the area, so it's wise to eliminate them before proceeding. After clearing the area, head towards the courtyard entrance. You'll soon encounter a sturdy metal gate that's padlocked, and you can either pick the lock or use bolt cutters to gain access. Pattern with pattern B. Upon entering, you'll find a room filled with loot and, most importantly, the rifle workbench against the wall. Interact with it to unlock the suppressor for your sniper rifle. Now it's time to equip your new accessory. And at the workbench, select your sniper rifle and go to the attachments menu. Under the muzzle category, you'll find the Maxim 1910 suppressor waiting for you. Equipping this suppressor will reduce the sound of your gunfire significantly from about 140 meters down to just 91 meters. While it may not be the most powerful suppressor available, it's a fantastic starting point for those stealthy missions. And remember, if your sniper rifle starts to sound like a whisper, you might just be the quietest assassin in the game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.